Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with EURUSD as usual. Let's discuss the trading plan with Miroslav Bawulski.
A sharp increase in German industrial orders helped the euro strengthen in the first half of the day. However, ahead of the ECB meeting, traders chose not to rush events, which limited the pair's upside potential. In addition to the ECB decision, attention in the second half of the day should be paid to weekly US initial jobless claims, and a speech by FOMC member Raphael Bostic. Weak US labor market data could renew pressure on the dollar. If the pair declines after all key decisions and data releases, only a false breakout near the 1.1782 support level will provide an entry point for long positions, targeting a recovery in the euro and a test of resistance at 1827. A breakout and subsequent retest of these range from top to bottom will confirm a valid entry point, opening the way toward the 1.1868 area. The ultimate target will be 1908, where profits will be taken. If EURUSD declines and shows no buying activity around 1782, the euro may face a deeper pullback, leading to a drop towards 1741. Only the formation of a false breakout at this level will justify buying the euro. Immediate long positions on the rebound are planned from 1.1705, targeting an intraday upward correction of 30-35 pips.
Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents.
You could plan to buy the pound today after reaching the entry point around 36.15, targeting a rise toward 36.64. Around 36.64, you could plan to exit long positions and open shorts in the opposite direction, aiming for a 30-35 pip pullback. An upward move in the pound today can be expected after weak US data. Before entering a buy trade, make sure that the MACD indicator is above the zero mark and just starting to move higher. You could also plan to buy the pound today if the price tests 1.3577 twice in a row, while the MACD in the oversold territory. This should limit the pair's downside potential and trigger a market reversal to the upside. In this case, a rise toward 36.15 and 36.64 can be expected. You could plan to sell the pound today after a break below the 1.3577 level, which could lead to a sharp decline in the pair. The key target for sellers will be 35.11, where you could plan to exit short positions and open longs in the opposite direction, aiming for a 20-25 pip rebound from that level. Pressure on the pound is likely to return after strong economic data. Before entering a sell trade, make sure that the MACD indicator is below the zero mark and just starting to move lower. You could also plan to sell the pound if the price tests 1.3615 twice in a row, while the MACD is in overbought territory. This will limit the pair's upside potential and lead to a market reversal to the downside. A decline toward 1.3577 and 35.11 can be expected.
That's all for today. See you online soon.